Opunake versus Taiatea, Wharekura.
And then for Taiatea, Marsh, Reti, Rinsu, Wharekura.
So obviously being a Wharekura, they represent Te Reo culture.
There's a big...
Should be able to get them in the air and draw fouls.
Here comes Opunake, lovely spin move and a finish from Summerfield. There are runners, but good defense there from Taiatea, getting back, stopping that in transition, the lob. Taiatea getting back, stopping that in transition, the lob. And that is going to be go offensively, Josh. What do you think on that one? No, you're right actually there. We saw the man on the left-hand side as well. My apologies, not doing the correct scout. And a big kuruwhiwhi toru for Cameron Quinnell. And the tūrapa is kicked ahead. And everyone just paused. Kick ahead, pass again. Quinnell, foul and one! Lovely pass inside. And big block there from Taiatea. Just trying to work things around here. Taiatea, the grey ball movement. And they're underway with a kuruwhiwhi toru.
Do not want to leave open.
And it's pretty obvious who Manakura is supporting in this one. The big defensive chance, and I'm loving hearing it in Te Reo, Josh.
Oh, yeah. You know, when you're a team that you don't make the final, you split between who you're going for and away come Taiatea. Little mid-range pull-up is good. On this thing, inside and out.
And stripping it, but can't contain it. Oh, what a kick out. Quinnell, bucket, and that's why he kept him in the game,
yep.
Josh Thompson. So, little dribble handoff. And a deep kuruwhiwhi toru attempt is good.
And if he give him a 2-minute break there to start the quarter.
Kidd gets the ball, great kick out. Little drive and floater off the Papamuri, Alexander Moss. Under 10 seconds to play. Moss, what a pass to Kidd. Off the Papamuri for the kuruwhaka'u.
Yeah, for 16 points in the...
Of Opunake.
But that's what you want at the rim. There's a great take from Greensill.
No flop warning there, that was all body and Kidd again. First half.
No, he's looking pretty locked in here. And I think that's it right there from Taiatea.
Still has that many big athletes.
No, and then you're playing one of your bigger players at the 3 spot.
And one! What a finish, Chris John Abad. And it's stolen from Quinnell, kicked ahead. And well ripped down out of the air there from Arahi Marsh. Pulls up for the quick kuruwhiwhi toru. Possessions like that to eke into this lead. But then Quinnell rising up.
It's just a lack of communication there. Marsh there.
Abad with the handles though. Here's Quinnell, little Josh Thompson-esque quarterback throw to his teammate. And what a floater from Harry Gibson.
Yeah, they're getting everything to fall. And there he is.
Oh.
But below us, there's quite a few people.
The whole Aparima college team has won a big block. But then also... nearly a great pass, but Liam Kidd read it. Quinnell into the safe hands of Abad. Cross-court pass. Get up! Oh my goodness! But a foul on Arahi Marsh.
I've never seen a ref change their call.
I have. Saw one today actually, St. Ken's vs Westlake. Another kuruwhiwhi toru attempt is good. And he was telling me a lot of his team was actually at Kapahaka Nationals only a couple of weeks ago.
I believe they finished 3rd at Nationals, so Kapahaka Nationals.
First passion, they're doing better at basketball in Kapahaka. An offensive foul against Summerfield, and the crowd is turning this game, Josh Thompson.
Oh, yeah.
Lovely little skip pass into the corner. Nice. Find the cutter. Penny spin up amongst the tall trees, blocked by Quinnell.
Maybe kick out there against the bigger Cameron Quinnell.
Well, I'll tell you what, what's crazy about Cameron Quinnell is when we were at school, as we see a beautiful put back there.
Down here at Fly Palmy over the week.
And the jump shot is good. This single A 2022 championship. Cornell didn't even hesitate with the Kuruwhiwhi Toru, Josh.
20-point game, everyone's getting into it, and which is good.
Out on the floor and ready. It's Opunake ball in the yellow going left for right in the second half. And a big Kuruwhiwhi Toru. Once again, Cameron Cornell.
Yeah, just achieved his double-double for the final.
Leaves that one short, but gets his own rebound, goes up and in. Come on. Here comes Opunake as he's stripped. Marsh, lovely little rip through. Yes, John, that's my bad. Here is Opunake. As we hear the chant go up, is Cornell once again with another Kuruwhiwhi Toru.
Statement on and saying, I'm trying to finish this early.
Lovely pass, and oh, what a finish amongst the big trees.
Yeah.
And as Cornell, no way. I don't know, could have actually got called for a foul there as well as Liam Kidd puts it back. Have a big future with an NBL side, particularly the Taranaki Airs.
Yeah, he...
Oh, big jump shot there. 50%, right? Because you got to count for nerves as well. Another Kuruwhiwhi Toru attempt is good.
But on both ends of the floor, he's been a menace on defense.
Opunake floater is a pakete.
They had 12, 13 offensive rebounds. Oh, that's great. Extra. Like, he just does the little things, you know, rebounding, just controlling the tempo. And
Summerfield.
He's been in Australia.
Yeah, he's been located in Melbourne with his beautiful partner, Taiatea.
Yeah, national champ herself.
St. Peter's.
Yeah, St. Peter's tournament, you know, and even in big playoff games where...
the Kuruwhiwhi Toru is 51%. That's probably why your leader, as we see another run out. Gibson blocked!
Block,
but the foul is called. And another one, Josh Thompson.
Just need to move the ball.
Make a lot of noise and keep their voice going. I can't recommend Vocal Zone enough.
He needs those. But shout out to all the coaches. You know, I caught up with
once again
Connolly and Sammy Watkins before our other commentator, and their voices seem to be
tough contested fadeaways. Oh, Chase.
Oh, great.
Chase down, kick ahead, and just lays it in beautifully. It looks like a 2-1-2 now here for Taiatea. And another Josh Thompson. Do we just let the crowd run this one?
I think we let the crowd run this one. Current Tall Blacks coach.
Give themselves an opportunity. As that Kuruwhiwhi Toru attempt is no good. Jump ball almost saved. Good up fake into the corner. Nice pump fake there, Josh.
Yeah. See that a guy being Māori and Chinese, and I brought up in culture, really, you know, with both, and myself teaching Te Reo Māori at Kashmir High, and you know, and like I said, you know, do you believe?
I believe. Do you believe, Josh Thompson?
I'm starting to believe now.
And it's tough when Cameron Cornell. What a bounce pass.
Oh.
Gibson not blocked, and that goes in. 5 minutes to play here. Another Kuruwhiwhi Toru attempt is good. God, so lucky there. But
Great
they
hustle.
recover Taiatea. What a kick-out pass. I didn't even see that angle.
No, I did not see that one. Oh, it's in and out.
But big rebound tipped. What a cross, mid-range pull-up, bucket.
10-point game.
Do you take a timeout? I'd take a timeout right now, up 10. Complete momentum shift.
Oh, a steal.
Take a timeout. Take a timeout. You're up 8. Take a timeout. 5 minutes to play. You need to slow this down if you're Opunake.
5-second call.
Take a timeout.
Just needs
8
to
seconds
settle.
on the shot clock.
Just needs to settle.
Looking at 2 defenders. Work it round. Finds the corner. It's a 2-pointer though. But it still drops. It doesn't matter.
Just to get a settler going. And here the crowd are into it. Summerfield. You talking, and
I'm trying to be loud. Right, here is Taiatea. Nice little up fake to the big trees. And one! From Taiatea, Abad. Oh, lovely pass to Quinnell. And one, Cameron Quinnell. No, we don't. Quinnell. Gibson. Short. And one. Getting some instructions from Angelo Hill, sitting sideline. Down by halfway. Taiatea, step back. Tough. Kurikiki Toto is good. Of rebound, smart kick out. Again, no good. Fight for the rebound. Up and one. It's going to be all she wrote, I think, here, and they get it in. And up goes the ball from Abad. Final score in the boys' Single A Championship.